Thank you for joining me on my learning journey. For first-timers to this channel, T2L Academy is an initiative that I started with the mission of teaching to learn. So I learn, and then I share with you and teach, so that I can learn better, and hopefully in the process I can help you learn as well. So today I'm going to be sharing my learnings on how to do factorials on your TI-84 plus CE calculator. Now, when you're doing factorials, you might notice right away that there is no factorials button, but there is still a factorials built-in function on your calculator. So let's say we're going to do 5 factorials. So we're going to hit the number 5 first. And then we're going to go to Math, and we're going to scroll over to the Probability section. Once we're there, we can click the number 4. And there we go. Because if you go to Math and Probability, you'll see that number 4 on our menu is factorials. I'm not sure how clear it is on my screen actually. Hopefully this makes it a little better. Can you see that? Yeah. So number 4 there is factorials. So here we have 5 factorial, and it works. So let's go over it one more time. Let's start with 4 this time. Let's go Math, Probability, and we can scroll down to 4 and hit Enter, or just hit the 4 key. And there we go. So please let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for additional learnings. I'll see you in the next video.